These are baby herring gull chicks, and today we're going to ring them. So we can tell they're herring gulls from the colony that they're in and also from the colour of their wing. The chicks can't fly yet, so they sort of sit down like this, but we can just pick them up and we can ring them. So today we're putting on a metal ring unique to that bird and also a unique colour ring. So colour rings are used for certain species and it makes the ring easy to read in the field. So here's a little baby chick with both its rings on, and then we release them. So it takes minutes. We all hold ringing licenses, so all the handling is done under license. This ringing project helps ongoing research to learn more about the movements and behaviours of gulls. They are pretty cute, but they're also pretty stinky. So keep your eyes open for any colour rings and make sure to report them.